Okay, they're all going to be bigger. Now, how do you read these? Well, see the little part, okay, the mouth, like the peak, that means smaller. This way means bigger. So it depends on which way it's facing the letter. So if they're going to be bigger, then the bigger part needs to go towards the letter. Okay, so A is bigger than 2. All of these are bigger than A. Okay, you have to be 2 or older. Okay, so this one, same thing. A, what's our number? -3. Is it open or closed? It's closed. Now, are all the numbers smaller or bigger? They're smaller. Okay, so the smaller part is going to go towards the A. The smaller, and does it need a line under it or not?
Yeah.
Yes, because it's closed.
Oh, yeah, right.
Okay, we got an A. What's our number? 5. Okay, are all the numbers bigger or smaller? They're bigger, so we know that the bigger part is going to go towards the A. Should it have a line under it or not? Yes, because it's closed. Okay, 7. What's our number? -2. Okay, are all the numbers bigger or smaller? They are bigger. So the bigger part's going to go towards the A. Does it need a line under it or not? No, because it's open. Okay, it's an open circle. Okay, 9. What's our number? 4. Are the numbers bigger or smaller? They are smaller. So the smaller side needs to go towards the A. Does it going to have a line under it or not? Yes. We got A is what? -6. Is it going to be bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Smaller. Does it need a line under it or not?
Yes, it's closed.
Yes, because it's closed. Okay, we got A. What's our number? 5. Are the numbers bigger or smaller? Smaller. Okay, is it going to be open or closed? Closed. Okay, now, before you flip the page, I just want you to look at something real quick. Okay? This is what your teacher taught you probably a long time ago. See how my arrow head is pointed that way and the line is pointed that way? Okay? My arrowhead is pointed like that way. My arrow is pointed that way. That only works because our letter becomes first. So if your letter is flip-flopped, if it looks like this, X, and we got -3, then that does not work. Okay? The only reason that this works is because the letter is on the left. So if you remember a while ago when we were moving stuff around, I kept saying letters go on the left, numbers go on the right. Because then it can help you with inequalities and it's not as much thought process. Okay? So when we look at the back page, the letters are not always the same. So you need to read it. Okay? And we're going to graph it. So should this have an open or closed? Open on 6. All right? And then now we just got to figure out which way it goes. Find the letter and that's where you start to read from. So we start reading from the X. X is what? X is going to be, and what do we touch first? The bigger or smaller part of the mouth? Bigger. X is going to be bigger than 6. So which way is my arrow going to go? X is bigger than 6. Okay, look at 17. On the -3, should it be open or closed? It should be open. And it says X is what? Smaller. Okay, and if you don't get that, look up here. It says X is, and then which part of the mouth am I touching first? I'm going to touch the small part. Okay, you need to read from the letter to the number. So we say X is, and boom, I touch the small part of the mouth. So we know that X is going to be smaller. So which numbers are smaller? Yeah, if we go to the left. Okay, the numbers are smaller. Okay, 19. Our number's -3. Should it be open or closed? Closed. And it says n is what? Bigger. Okay, and so we need to go to the left or right? The right side. Uh, 21. My number is -3. Should it be open or closed? Closed. K is what? Huh? Yeah, K is going to be smaller than -3. So which way are we going to go? To the left. $23. I got my numbers at 3. Should it be open or closed? Closed. And N is what? Bigger. N's going to be bigger than.
To the right.
To the right. $25. Our number is -5. Should be open or closed? Open. Okay, and N is what? Smaller than, so which way is it going to go? To the left. 27. I got -3. Open or closed?
No, it's closed.
Closed. And then N is what? Smaller than, and so it's going to go this way. Okay, you guys go through, do the rest. Make sure your name is on it. Because you guys are writing with pencil,